Teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Are you hungry?
No,
No. How old are you, love?
I'm 10 years old.
Very good. What is your Vietnamese name?
Vietnamese name is Dong Huy.
Dong Huy.
Dong Huy.
Dong Huy. Okay, it's hard for me to pronounce, okay? I'll call your English name so that it's much easier for me. Tell me, how many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
And how's the weather today?
It's hot.
Hot. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my god, I don't like it. Alright, so let's start our speaking test. Make sure, love, to speak loudly, okay? I can see that you are shy and can make your voice louder. So now make it louder, okay? Or loudly. Let's start with how many differences. Give me 5 or 6 differences between the two pictures.
In my picture,
In picture 1,
picture 1, the monkey is
there are
the monkeys
on
on the coconut cheese.
but
But in picture 2,
there are
there are 2 monkeys under the coconut cheese. In the picture 1, there are 3 banana cheese. But in picture 2, there are 4
banana trees.
banana cheese.
Next.
In picture 1, the man is wearing red shirt. But in the picture 2, the man is wearing white shirt.
Shorts.
In the picture 1, the umbrella is open. But in the picture 2, the umbrella is closed.
Okay.
In picture 1, 2 parrots are flying.
But
In the picture 2,
there
there
are
are 2 butterflies are flying.
flying. Next.
In the picture 1, the
Ducks
ducks
Are
white. But in the picture 2, the ducks
ducks
are brown.
are brown. Next. Alright, okay. I think it's okay now. Let's move on to the second part. Second part, let's do the exchange information, okay? I will be David's and you will be Betty's school, right? But first, Teacher D you will ask Teacher D first and I will answer. Okay, let's do it and then let's make it bigger. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, love.
hello teacher.
Okay, do you have any question about David's school?
Yes.
Yes, okay, what are your questions?
What name
What is,
is
what is,
is
what is the name
what is the name Davis
of David's?
Davis School?
Okay, the name of David's school is Green Hill School.
Where is Davis School?
Okay, David's school is located behind the cinema.
How many children are in Davis School?
There are 450 students in David's school.
Time Davis School does start.
What time does, one more time,
What time
does David's school
Davis School
start?
start?
Okay, it'll start at 9 o'clock in the morning.
What
Does
does Davis
David play?
play?
Let's say David's.
Davis
David only. what sports
Sport
does David
is
play? Oh, he plays basketball. Now I have questions for Betty's school. Ready? Do you know where is Betty's school, or what's the name of Betty's school?
Is Park School.
Park School. And do you know where is Park School? Mhm. Where is Betty's school?
Is in the post office.
Oh, near post office. Okay, how many children are in Betty's school? There are.
There are 500 in Betty's school.
Say the word. 500.
500.
500.
500.
Very good. Okay, and what time does Betty's school start?
It's at 8:30.
Oh, 8:30 or 8:30. Okay, and what sport does Betty play?
The sport Betty play is tennis.
Tennis. Okay, thank you. Alright, now let's move on to the last part. And this would be the, hold on, let me make it smaller. Hey, make it smaller. Ta-da! Here. Picture story. Okay? And we have, how many pictures do you see?
You see 5 pictures.
Say the word 5.
5.
Okay, don't be lazy to say the word 5, then 5, okay? 5. Alright, are you ready to tell the story about Charlie and Elephant?
Yes.
Alright, you have to read first the title and proceed the story. Ready? Okay, let's start. Go.
Charlie and the elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. Mom and Charlie are in the garden.
Mhm.
Charlie is eating some fruit,
Mhm.
and his mom is reading a book. The elephant is
What happened to Elephant?
in the garden.
The elephant. What happened to the elephant? Goes in the,
In the
say the word goes in the,
garden.
say the word,
Garden
what happened to elephant? The elephant,
is go
that is goes in the, goes
in
goes
goes
in the
in the
garden. And then,
Charlie and his mom are surprised. Charlie
Charlie gives
bananas
bananas
for
to,
elephant.
okay.
Elephant likes bananas, and elephant is happy. The man of the circus is
Comes to
comes to
Charlie's house.
Charlie's house, and
Elephant
elephant is go
goes
to the bus
in the
in the
truck.
truck. Charlie and his mom are
In the,
in the circus.
they watch.
They watch the elephant. They are very happy.
Wow, very good. That you did well. Some words you just forgot, but it's okay. Next time practice, okay? Continue practicing. That's it. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, love. See you again.